Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Now let us see how we can write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. The question is asking us to write three numbers. The question is asking us to write three numbers whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Guys, just recall what type of numbers are the numbers that are non-terminating and non-recurring. What we call those numbers? The question has asked us to find out three numbers whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. That means these are nothing but these are the irrational numbers. The question is asking us to find three irrational numbers. These are irrational numbers. We very well know that a number is an irrational number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. So the question is asking us to write three irrational numbers whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Now let me tell you how to write three irrational numbers. The very easiest way that we can write some irrational numbers. For example, let me take a rational number. If I write a rational number 1/2 whose value is 0.5. Now from this value I am going to derive an irrational number. How to derive an irrational number from this? So the value is 0.5. Then I will write 0.5. Then I will write 0.05. Then I will write 0.005. So what do you observe? You could see that here the decimal expansion is non-terminating because it will keep on repeating. Like here we got 0005, then we'll get 405, so it will keep on increasing. Just we need to add. Here I got, after decimal I got only 5, then I added 05, then I added 205, then I added 305. Similarly I can add as many zeros to 5. This is one irrational number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Now if I consider another, because we need to write 3, let me take another example, 11/8 whose decimal expansion is, this is a rational number, 11/8, and whose answer is, or if we solve 11/8 we will get 1.375. Now let us make this one as an irrational number. So how to make this one as irrational number? I can write 1.375, then I can write 1375, then I can write 11375, then I can write 111375. So guys, here you could see that I made this rational number 1.375 into an irrational number. How? I just kept on repeating this one. First I took 1, then I took 2 ones, and then I took 3 ones. Similarly I could have taken 4 ones. This is another example. And finally let me consider another example, 36/100. So 36/100 is a rational number, and I can write this rational, the 36/100, if we solve we will get 0.36. Now let us convert this to irrational number. So how I can write an irrational number from this rational number? 0.36. Then I will write 0.36. Then I will write 0.036. Then I can write 0.0036. Like this I can keep on increasing my zeros. Hope guys you understood this. So these are the three rational numbers that I can write. You can write any three rational numbers. It is not that we are stick to only 1 or 2 rational numbers. There are infinite number of rational numbers are there. So we can consider any rational numbers. In the book they have considered other 3 rational numbers. I am not taking the answer whatever is given in the book. Just I am taking 3 irrational numbers what the book has asked us, the question has asked us. I am not going as per the answer, but you can consider any irrational number. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.